Hey friends, let's learn how to use these pop-out ornaments. I'm going to use this one as an example. They're in a sheet, and the reason that we have them in a sheet and we decided to go with pop-out ornaments this year is because ornaments have a lot of small pieces and you have a lot of different designs within one box, and this will allow you to keep all of your pieces together. It also gives us a really great visual to make sure that nothing, falls out in the packaging. I do suggest that you have a tray or something to contain these in, a container when you pop them out so you don't lose them, all right? So they are just held on by a little tiny slice, and you just have to wiggle them to get them out. So you can just wiggle them out a little bit. You might have like a little edge there, and if that bothers you, just take a little piece of sandpaper over it. But that's all you have to do is wiggle them loose. So like this license plate, you're just going to push it with your fingers. And you're just going to, just like it sounds, pop them out, okay? Just kind of like when you were a kid. But this is going to make it, now when you have a piece that might be a little, sometimes the smaller pieces take a little more oomph to get them out than the bigger pieces. Sometimes it helps to have something to push it with. Now see, this one, a little piece of that wood came out. No big deal. Just going to take my sandpaper and clean it right up. So that's how you're going to pop it out, and then you can just discard this piece. And this is only half of this ornament, but I just wanted to show you how to pop out those ornaments. If you have any questions, let us know. We're here to help. And again, remember that the sandpaper is really good. If you have a piece of 320 grit sandpaper, it'll help with those little rough pieces if that bothers you.